Hey friends, it's Emily from Burlap Kitchen, and today I have a super cute project for you using one of these grill pans from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and cut all the edging off of it so we can roll this into a cylinder. So once I get that cut off, I'm going to take it and I'm going to roll it and I'm going to glue it. So you do want a good glue. I did use my stick fast for this and it did work, but I would probably recommend something more like E6000 and some clamps to hold it in place until it really dries good. So once I had it held in place and it dried good, I did go ahead and squeeze the top just a little bit so I could cut some of that off because it was a little taller than what I wanted it to be. And then I just used my fingers to fold down the top edging so it wasn't so jaggy. So once we got that done, I did pull that tag off there quick. Once we got that done, I did glue here and there different places that I needed to glue. I took a sheet of cardboard and just traced the circle on. Now the circle is not going to be like a complete circle. I just tried to go around the shape of the cylinder. So I cut that out, and then I have a glass candlestick from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint all of these pieces black, and you're going to want to use a chalk paint for this because the chalk paint will adhere a lot better to a shiny surface. So once we got them all painted black and dried, I came in with some spray Mod Podge and some cinnamon just to give it a rust look. So you want to spray it down with the Mod Podge good and then add your cinnamon and then give it a second coat of the Mod Podge to seal the cinnamon in. And you do want to kind of like add a little bit of spray and Mod Podge, or a little bit of Mod Podge and cinnamon here and there where the cinnamon kind of blows off when you dry it, just to get it all coated well. So I did do a few coats here and there. And then again, once I was done with the cinnamon, I just sealed everything in with one final layer of Mod Podge. Once that's completely dry, I would let it dry overnight. Then we're going to start to glue this together. I used a hefty amount of hot glue to hold the cardboard base to the bottom of the cylinder. And then just to kind of hide all of that, I found this little lamb's ear wreath at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just going to cut that open and glue it around the bottom, and then I'm going to glue that to the candlestick base. And then I have this pretty little candle that I put in, and I just wanted to show you that you could add like eggs or pumpkins, whatever, for the holidays. And this just turned out so pretty, and it was so much fun to make.